You know that feeling when you just need to switch things up? Well, you are in exactly the right place. Spring is officially here, and we're about to get our creative on.
I mean, that's what spring is all about, right? A total, complete refresh. Just look at the difference here. We're going from a space that's fine to one that is just bursting with personality and sunlight. It's all about clearing out the old to bring in a vibe that's bright, light, and 100% you.
And really, what better way to embrace that fresh feeling than by trying something totally new? Whether you're picking up a paintbrush for the first time or just playing with a new color you've never used before, now is the perfect season to just have fun with it.
Because that's what this all comes down to. It's about you. These aren't just little craft projects. They're basically a way to tell your own story. You get to turn your space, your clothes, your accessories into a reflection of who you are right now.
So, I gotta ask, are you ready to create your spring vibe? Yeah, I thought so. Let's do this. Okay, first things first. Let's talk about creating your own cozy little sanctuary. We're starting with your personal space, your room, and we're gonna make it feel so special and completely ready for spring. And we are kicking things off with a project that is just so dreamy. We're making pressed flower sun catchers. Seriously, these are amazing. They catch the sunlight in the most beautiful way and bring a little piece of nature right into your room.
And trust me, it is so much easier than it looks. First, just press your favorite flowers in a heavy book till they're nice and flat. Then, you get to the super fun part, arranging them on a piece of clear contact paper. Once you love your design, just seal it with another piece, trim the edges, and that's literally it. Hang it up and just watch how it glows.
And that is the goal here, turning your room into a dreamy, personalized spring haven. It's about having a space that feels like your own little peaceful escape from everything else.
And if you're looking for even more ideas, oh, I've got you. You could create a super personal photo wall with your favorite pics, or maybe paint some terracotta pots and start a mini indoor garden. You could even make some custom quote signs, paint some cute springy designs on candles, or, my favorite, build an adorable mini fairy garden. So many options.
All right, so your space is officially feeling fresh. Now let's move on to your style. It is time to craft your own signature look with some amazing DIY accessories. Okay, so let's make some accessories that are completely, totally, 100% you. And we are starting with one of the biggest, trendiest crafts out there right now, air dry clay earrings. You can do so many cool things with these. And it's super simple, I promise. First, you just shape the clay into whatever design you can dream up. Think cool geometric shapes, little flowers, anything. Let it dry completely. Then comes the best part, painting them. This is where your personality really shines. Finally, attach some earring hooks and bam, you've got a new accessory that nobody else in the world has.
But hey, why stop there? If you're going for a more edgy vibe, you could try making some painted washer necklaces. Or for something more delicate and sweet, you could try making beautiful resin pendants with tiny flowers inside. And of course, you can never ever go wrong with some colorful beaded bracelets and anklets. Perfect spring vibes.
Next up, let's get a little clever, a little stylish, and a little bit sustainable with some eco-chic crafts. This is all about turning something ordinary into something totally extraordinary. I mean, check out this glow up. On the left, it's just an empty can, right? Something you'd normally just toss. But with a little bit of creativity, maybe some paint, it becomes a super cute desk accessory to hold all your pens and brushes. How smart is that? And that, my friends, is called upcycling. It's really just the awesome idea of taking old items and creatively turning them into something new and beautiful. It's smart, it's super stylish, and it's so good for the planet. A total win-win-win. And there are so many other clever things you can try. Like, you can make a no-sew tote bag from an old t-shirt. Yep, no sewing. Or create a vibrant collage using pages from old magazines. You can even turn coffee filters into the most delicate little butterflies, or make paper flower garlands that will literally last forever.
Whew, okay. So we've refreshed our rooms, we've designed our own accessories, and we've gotten super clever with upcycling. Now, it's your turn. It's time to take all of these ideas and go create your own vibe.
And here is the absolute best part, the most important thing to remember. There are no rules, none. This is your chance to just play. Mix colors, try new technique, mess up, try again. Just experiment and see what amazing things you can come up with. So what's calling to you right now? Which vibe are you gonna create first? Are you feeling that cozy sanctuary, the chic accessories, or the clever upcycled crafts? Maybe.
A little bit of all three? There is no wrong answer. At the end of the day, this is your spring. It's your style. We've given you some inspiration, but now it's your turn to make it happen. Go create something amazing.